Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we'll guide you through resetting your TP-Link Deco X20 mesh Wi-Fi system to its factory settings. This step is essential for troubleshooting persistent issues or preparing the units for resale or transfer. Follow along as we demonstrate the process. Let's get started. Resetting your TP-Link Deco X20 mesh Wi-Fi is necessary to resolve persistent connectivity issues, clear old settings, or prepare the device for a new network configuration. A reset restores factory settings, ensuring optimal performance and fresh setup. Start by finding the reset button on your Deco X20 unit. It's a small pinhole, typically located on the bottom or rear of the device. You'll need a paperclip or similar tool to press it effectively. Make sure your Deco unit is plugged in and powered on. For the reset to work properly, the device must be connected to a power source. Verify that the unit is fully operational before proceeding with the reset process. Use a paperclip or a similar tool to press and hold the reset button for approximately 10 seconds. Continue holding the button until you observe the LED light on the Deco unit begin to blink orange, indicating the reset process has started. Release the reset button once the LED starts blinking orange. The Deco unit will begin the reset process, which takes a few minutes. The light will eventually turn solid orange and then white, indicating that the reset is complete and the Deco is ready to be set up again. After the reset is finished, you'll need to reconfigure your Deco units. Open the TP-Link Deco app, follow the on-screen setup instructions, and set up your network from scratch, just like you did during the initial installation process.